If you're experiencing controller drift in The Sims 4, there are several steps you can take to adjust your settings and improve your gameplay experience. Follow these steps to help mitigate the issue. Step 1. Check controller settings. Ensure that your controller settings are properly configured. Go to the Settings menu in The Sims 4 and navigate to the Controls section to verify that your controller is recognized and functioning correctly. Step 2. Adjust sensitivity. In the Sim Controls menu, look for Sensitivity settings. Lowering the sensitivity can help reduce the impact of drift, making it easier to control your character without unintended movements. Step 3. Update controller firmware. Make sure your controller's firmware is up to date. Check the manufacturer's website for any available updates that could improve performance and reduce drift. Step 4. Clean the controller. Sometimes, physical debris can cause drift. Gently clean around the thumbsticks and buttons of your controller to remove any dirt or grime that may be affecting its performance. Step 5. Test with other games. To determine if the drift is specific to The Sims 4 or a broader issue with your controller, test it with other games. If the drift persists across multiple games, it may be time to consider repairing or replacing the controller. By following these steps, you can help reduce controller drift in The Sims 4 and enhance your gaming experience.